Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fill 00 capsules. First, gather your essential tools: a capsule filling machine, empty size 00 capsules, and your chosen powdered substance. Next, prepare a clean and organized workspace to prevent any contamination. Accuracy is key, so precisely measure your powder to ensure consistent dosages in each capsule. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient filling process. Now, let's move on to the filling process. Begin by separating your 00 capsules and placing the longer, bottom halves into the designated holes of your capsule machine. Carefully pour your pre-measured powder over the capsules, using a card or scraper to spread it evenly across all the openings. Then, use the tamper tool to firmly compress the powder, creating space for more. After the initial tamping, add a bit more powder to ensure a full fill, then tamp once more. Next, carefully place the shorter, top halves of the 00 capsules onto the machine's top plate. Align this top plate with the bottom section of the machine. Apply firm, even pressure to press the top plate down, effectively capping and sealing all your capsules simultaneously. This step completes the filling. Finally, carefully remove your perfectly filled 00 capsules from the machine. Take a moment to inspect each one, ensuring they are properly sealed and free from any defects. For optimal freshness and potency, store your finished capsules in an airtight container, kept in a cool, dark place away from direct sunlight or humidity. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your custom-filled capsules.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.